In this video, I will show you how you can trim videos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just open the Photos app on your iPhone, and from here just select the video which you want to trim. For example, I'll select this video. Now to trim the video, just tap on the edit icon over here. Now in the edit section, just go to the video section, and from here you can trim the start or the end of the video by just dragging the video from the ends over here. Now let's say if I want to trim the video from the end, so I'll just drag this handle from the end to the part which I want to trim. And if you want to trim the start, similarly, just drag this handle to the part where you want to trim this video. Now once you're satisfied with your trimmed video, you just tap on Done to save. Now over here you will find two options. Now you can either tap on Save Video and you will change the original video with the trimmed version over here, or you can just select Save Video as a new clip. And if you select Save Video as a new clip, you'll have the original video and also you'll have the trimmed version, just like that. But if you want to trim your video from the middle, then for that just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And from the App Store just download any editor like iMovies or CapCut, or you can just download any other editor. And after you do that, now by using those editors, you can crop your videos even from the middle. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.